The iPhone 5C charge port and headphone jack replacement guide. Fix your broken iPhone 5 with parts and service from DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YT7 and save 7% off your next order at DirectFix.com. Please read this warning thoroughly before attempting to repair your device. Begin by completely powering off your device. Remove 2 pentalobe screws from the bottom of the phone. Attach a suction cup to the screen and begin to lift the screen up. Remove 4 screws shown in the red circles. You can now disconnect the screen assembly from the motherboard. Remove 2 screws securing the shield over the charge port and battery connectors. Disconnect and remove the battery. Now remove the shield covering the rear-facing camera and secondary microphone. Remove the 6 screws shown in the red circles. Disconnect the charge port, antenna cable, and the volume and power button ribbon cable. Carefully lift up and remove the motherboard. Disconnect the Wi-Fi cable from the underside of the motherboard. Peel up the home button contact prongs. Remove the 7 screws shown in the red circles. Remove the speaker module. You can now lift up and remove the charge port. Now place your replacement charge port ribbon cable into the bottom of the frame. And now place the speaker module over the charge port ribbon cable. Secure the charge port and speaker module with 7 screws shown in the red circles. Fold down the home button contacts and place them on the speaker module. Now plug the Wi-Fi antenna into the underside of the motherboard and then place the motherboard into the frame. And now secure the motherboard with 6 screws shown in the red circle. You can now connect the volume and power button ribbon cable, the charge port cable, as well as the cellular antenna cable to the motherboard. Now place a shield over the rear-facing camera and secondary microphone and secure with screws. Now place the battery into the frame and connect to the motherboard. Now secure the battery and charge port connectors with a shield and 2 screws. You can now plug the screen assembly into the motherboard. Secure the LCD touch panel and forward-facing camera connectors with a shield and 4 screws shown in the red circles. You can now place the screen down into the frame of the phone and secure with 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom. Like, comment, and subscribe for more repair videos from DirectFix. For all your cell phone parts, accessories, and service needs, go to directfix.com now.